What's up, YouTube? This is my GE Flip Clock. Very cool little radio. Just want to give you a quick demonstration. The backlight works great here and the radio dial. Let's see if I can get a station. There we go. I'll get the best reception out here in the boonies.
It's sort of the best in the future. Just having someone like me.
Life hacks. 23 says to swap clothes with your friends.
7600 Azul de la Pulaski.
Hi, you save money by getting a conqueror.
Go there, take a show of hands.
It's in great shape.
University. There's a rush on bottled water in Toledo, Ohio. There's been long lines at water distribution centers because of a restriction on tap water. It contains toxins apparently caused by algae in Lake Erie. Residents can't use the water for drinking, dishwashing, or brushing their teeth, and it's not clear how long the problem will persist. Chicago's water department says they're testing the water due to this problem. They hope to have the results in a couple of days. They emphasize, however, the water here is perfectly safe. A man who fell 30 feet into a light shaft in a South Loop building overnight is doing okay today. He was at a party at 23rd and
Anyway,
Michigan,
YouTube, that's all I
sitting
got.
on a ledge when he
Peace
fell.
out. See ya.
Firefighters tried to cut him out.